Hi everyone, this video is based on the activity UML diagram. Now it's basically a flow chart to represent the flow from one activity to another. The activity can be described as an operation of the system, so the control flow is drawn from one operation to another. Now the decisions that I was talking about in my previous video of state chart diagram, it can be inferred from this video, in which I'll be using the decisions and the fork system calls, which combines and dissects from a fork. Now the contents are the initial and the final state as usual: activity, fork and join, branch and swim lanes. Now activity diagrams can be drawn by two concepts, with swim lanes and without swim lane. This video is regarding without swim lane. Fork represents the splitting of a single flow control into two or more concurrent flow of controls. Join represents it's just the opposite of the flow. It represents the synchronization of two or more concurrent flows of control. A join may have two or more incoming transition and one outgoing transition. In branching, specifies alternate paths, takes based on some Boolean expression. Branch is represented. Now swim lane will come later to that. This is my activity diagram without swim lane. It's an initial state. This is my fork system call, which splits into two concurrent more calls. My two states are enter the user ID and entering password. Then it comes and joins to the synchronization state. Then it splits into verify details, which goes to a decision, in which if the verify details is valid, then it will further access the search book facility. If it is not valid, then it will return back to the initial state and ask again for the user ID and for the password. After the search book, it again asks for a decision. If the search book is valid, if the person wants to search a new book or issue a new book, it takes two different paths. And if the person wants to search a new book, then if the decision is no, then the person logs out. If the decision is yes, then it will again go into a self loop of searching the book. Then it will go to the next branch, that is issue book, access, update the database, and then it will return the book. The return book again has a decision, which is divided into two further paths. If the return book is yes, then it will update the database. If it's no, then that means the person has to pay the fine, and then the process continues. If he has to further issue the book, it will take a self loop to the initial state, enter the user ID, password, it will verify details, and so on. Now this was my video regarding the activity diagram without swim lane. My next video will be based on the activity diagram without swim lane.